Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of BitConnect. Today we'll take another look into the charts and an interesting day so far. S&P 500. I think again today new all-time highs, and the Nasdaq is looking strong. Dixie kind of weak, you know, low, higher low, low, high, lower high, higher high. Interesting, could be a little bear flag over there. That's exactly what we want. This is what we can see right now on the Dixie, somewhat like that. Do we still have a gap over here? Yeah, far away. People are still trying to short it, probably. So we had kind of an interesting day today. We had we have still, I think, a rising wedge over here. Something like this, depends on how you want to draw it. Very clear supports. So one is right there, extremely important level. Other one is right over there. And then, you know, we have this huge one over here. So that is that. Also, we have this one very strong at 44K. So the thing is, you know, guys, we had some positive premiums over here, positive fundings as well over here as well, and fundings went up. Over here you can see, you know, people started shorting, and they're getting squeezed right now. So on the 4-hour chart, you know, I would say we need a close above this level. Basically 48.5K, also higher than this one. That is exactly what we need right now. 4-hour closes, you know, are the most important because they always include a funding period. Simple as that. And like I said, you know, guys, we're still seeing discounts, exactly what we need. And that is, you know, very important. Always, you know, when we see premiums shoot up, it is basically a time to sell, you know. And the other way around, it's a time to buy. Like over here, you know, this is what marks tops. This is what marks bottoms, you know. Very simple. It's not in a bull market, you know, people can stay bullish, premiums can stay high until things turn around. And then, you know, we have a lot of liquidity to the other side. So that is about that. Stuff is looking good. Let's remove everything. Do we see a bull flag forming? For now, you know, we have an engulfing on the 4 hours. So everything is looking good for now. But like I said, 48.5K is where it's about for the 4 hour. And on a horizontal level, you know, you can see exactly this level, 48.5K. Do we see a trend line? I mean, how valid is this one? Not really. We can, however, see maybe a more valid one turning up over there. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Support. Where do we see support? Well, over here, of course, this high over there, together with this low over there is where I see support. So what we want to see is basically something like this. And that might be the trade I'm taking. My stop, you know, would be below this level, I would say, and maybe just a little bit. If you want to be extra cautious, you take this one. But I would do it over here, and target for me would be over here. VPVR will put some resistance up over there, and then my target would be over here. Basically close to 50K. That is what I am seeing right now. So we can put in a little trade setup over there. Might not even give us the best entry, but this is what we were looking for. And the thing is, you know, if everybody flips long again, we got our plan. Simple as that. Fundings, how do fundings look? Predicted negative, Bybit still flat, and we do really want to see like this, guys. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see big discounts, liquidate them. And I mean, me with a lot of experience, you know, can tell you this is looking good. Sometimes things are looking good without me even being able to explain things. Solana making a bull flag over here. Ultimate support, you know, like hardcore support would be over here in the daily on the 4 hour, or let's go to the 15 minute. I mean, big resistance for Solana. Clear eye over there. Needs to make higher highs. Big support for Solana over here. Not really an easy trade setup over there. Ethereum looking good. Yeah, guys, so this morning I was bearish, and I mean, I was right about that one, but I didn't expect us to react this quick, and plans can change really quick. And I mean, horizontally, you know, we can just put on horizontals over here. This is level for Ethereum that needs to be done. Support for Ethereum right now, this level. Ethereum not looking as juicy as Bitcoin right now. And Bitcoin, I mean, I'm looking at my other screens. Bitcoin is doing simple as that. Remove everything. So support over here, resistance over there on the daily. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So Ethereum BTC, really good trade setup. I would buy it over here. Wait. I would buy it over here, spotting some sort of an inverse head and shoulders. Low, higher low, higher low. So left shoulder, right shoulder, head. And I would buy it over here, target somewhere over there. And invalidation is this level, of course. Simple as that. MTA looking classically good. I mean, this level, you know, on the daily, very important. But other than that, you know, for daily closes, and then this level, you know, if they breach this one, they will probably go for this area over there. And that is from 120 to 175 area. Looking good. XRP looking extremely good here as well. We can see it with our clear eyes over here. This level, these highs over here, marking the lows over there. Right now, higher low. So what I see is basically a pennant, a continuation pennant on XRP over here. So something like this, something like that. Somebody stated, you know, my TA is generally wrong, and man, TA isn't an exact science, or I do not believe in it. It's basically a pattern, market behavior. Wicks are different on every exchange, you know. You do not have to do it on a dollar. And the thing is, you know, if you see a pennant, you know, and everybody longs it and their mom, the pennant isn't going to break up unless there's strong spot buying. But if there is strong spot buying, we see discounts on the perps, and I always look at that. Like over here, you know, we see strong discounts on perps, and we see Coinbase basically chat buying. Then we know stuff is looking good. And if we see in a scenario like that, you know, if we see a pennant and everybody's shorting it, like over here, or if you see a pattern, everybody's shorting it, like we see over here, and we see spot buying, yeah, the thing is going to break up. I do not use any weird. I mean, I know a lot of indicators, but I just do not like them. I like to use this. Indicators also always lag. There's never an indicator predicting something. And the trend line is, and horizontal is. And, I mean, premiums and discounts are. If you see people selling the bottoms, you know they're gonna get effed. Greed has dropped a little bit. Yesterday we saw extreme greed, so that is good. But yeah, guys, open interest declining. That is good. It's basically people closing their stuff. We want to see low open interests. Like we see over here, 7 hours ago, or when this video will be published, it's 8 hours probably. This, we, on a bigger picture, we still are making a lower high on the 2 weeks, it's very clear. Looking a little bit scary. Small drr, I like his name. Guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And right now we're breaking to the upside. Looking very good. Yeah, something like this. You can see we're attacking this level right now and breaking this high over here. Looking extremely good, breaking it right now. Here we can see the VPVR will be giving us some resistance. And here is where I expect the first hurdle to be, the first next stop. And I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. See you guys again tomorrow and make sure to subscribe. Happy trading.